So, whose fish is that?
Mine.
Oh, so you got one fish, eh, boy?
I like this.
Got this fish. What's the name of that fish?
Catfish.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that catfish? How do you know that's a catfish?
Because what do we caught a catfish?
Really?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
And this is the catfish that we caught yesterday.
Really?
Uh-huh. There's so many catfish in the water.
Really?
Yeah. And some fishes too.
Mm-hmm.
And some turtles, some whales.
Do you love it?